Have you ever placed a trade on Questrade, set your price, and then just waited? Wondering why your order isn't executing or why it suddenly disappears? The secret often lies in something called order duration. It's a crucial, yet sometimes overlooked, aspect of placing trades, and understanding it can make all the difference in your investing strategy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Questrade's order durations. We'll break down each type, explain what it means for your trade, and give you practical examples of when to use them. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned investor looking to refine your approach, mastering order durations is a key step towards smarter, more controlled trading. So, let's pull back the curtain and explore Questrade's various order durations, starting with the most common ones and moving towards the more advanced options. The basics, day orders and good till canceled, GTC. These are the two most fundamental order durations you'll encounter on Questrade, especially on their more accessible platforms like QuestMobile and Questrade Trading. 1. Day order. Imagine you're watching the market during regular trading hours and you spot an opportunity you want to act on today. That's where day order comes in. What it means, a day order is valid only for the current trading day. If your order isn't filled by the end of the regular trading session, which is 4 p.m. Eastern Time for North American markets, it automatically expires and is canceled. Think of it like a one-day pass to the market. You submit your request, and if it doesn't happen today, you are not interested anymore. When to use it? Intraday trading. Active monitoring. Avoiding overnight risk. Placing orders outside of regular hours. 2. Good till canceled, GTC. This is perhaps the most popular duration for investors who aren't glued to their screens every second. What it means, a GTC order remains active until it's either filled, executed, or you manually cancel it. However, and this is a crucial point, Questrade, like most brokerages, imposes a maximum time limit on GTC orders. Currently, for Questrade, this limit is 90 calendar days. If your GTC order isn't filled or canceled within 90 days, it will automatically expire. Think of it like a standing instruction. You've given your broker a directive, and you want them to keep trying until it happens, or until you tell them to stop, or until a long time has passed. When to use it? Target price investing. Long-term strategy. Passive monitoring. Setting stop losses or take profits. 3. Good till date, GTD. GTD is like a more controlled version of GTC. What it means, a GTD order remains active until a specific calendar date that you specify, or until it's filled or manually canceled. Like GTC, there's usually an overall maximum duration, often 90 days, even if you set a date further out. Your order will be canceled if it's not filled by your chosen date or by the brokerage's maximum GTC/GTD timeframe, whichever comes first. Think of it like a personalized expiry date. You're saying, keep this order active, but only until this exact date. When to use it? Event-driven trading. Short-term strategies with defined horizons. More granular control. 4. Good till extended market, GTEM. This duration is for those who want to trade outside of standard market hours. What it means, a GTEM order remains active for the entire trading day, which includes both pre-market and post-market hours. If the order is not filled by the end of post-market hours, typically 8 p.m. Eastern Time for U.S. stocks, it is canceled. Think of it like an all-day, all-night pass to the trading arena. When to use it? Reacting to news. Taking advantage of extended liquidity. 5. Immediate or cancel, IOC. This is a fast-paced, get it done now or don't bother kind of order. What it means, an IOC order demands immediate execution, either in full or in part. Any portion of the order that cannot be filled immediately is automatically canceled. It's designed to minimize the risk of partial fills at varying prices. Think of it like a sprint. You want as much as you can get, right now, and anything left over is irrelevant. When to use it? Large orders in liquid markets. High volatility. Avoiding price slippage. 6. Fill or kill, FOK. FOK is even more stringent than IOC. It's an all or nothing proposition. What it means, an FOK order requires that the entire order be filled immediately and completely, or not at all. If the entire quantity cannot be filled at your specified price, or better, in one go, the entire order is immediately canceled. Think of it like a complete transaction, no partials allowed. It's a go big or go home order. When to use it? High certainty of execution price. Avoiding market impact. Specific hedging strategies. By understanding and consciously choosing the right order duration on Questrade, you are not just placing a trade, you are articulating a precise instruction to the market, managing your risk, and optimizing your chances of successful execution. It's a small but mighty detail that can truly elevate your trading game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.